Greetings, vac fans. Here I have my most powerful vacuum, and that's not suction, it's airflow. It's a Kirby Sentria 2. It's a 2013 model, and on my airflow box, I get 137 CFM. So, let's do the extreme edge cleaning. I might throw in a little added bonus. Maybe I'll put some sand off the carpet and see what it does. So there's some flour there. Here's some flour underneath here. There's some flour off the edge. And I do this periodically when that is not put flour all over the place, but I go and clean off edges in transitions. Transitions from carpet to hard floor. And I just need that extra inch or so here and there to grab something before I change, using the little height adjustment, before I actually change the vacuuming height and move it from, like, say 3 down to a 2 or something. Alright, and here's some sand to mix into the goo. Much more of a dense particle. Let's see if the sand makes it more difficult to pull the flour up. It makes no difference whatsoever. But this is an awful lot of CFM. Alright, here we go. It's going to get loud. Position 3. Well, no, that's a pretty clean sweep. Got a little spot right there that was probably something that was too far out that it couldn't reach. All right, here we go. And we got a little spot there. Blob couldn't get up. But there is no clogging of the pores. So that is like a 98, 99% perfect setup. And I even added some extra sand. So, thanks for watching, and I'm kind of surprised nobody actually requested this one. Oh well, more tests to come. Bye-bye.